So guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. I've been working on some crazy stuff, so forgive me for not posting a video in quite a while, guys. So I think this is the actual first video I've posted since I turned 27 years old. So I turned 27 on the 11th of March. I think my last video was actually on the 7th of March, I believe it was, on this particular channel. Now, I've actually been working on some crazy huge shit, guys, like some huge, just massive stuff for you guys for completely free. I actually spent, around 16 days putting together a massive, it was supposed to be a demonstration of how to use agency transmutation to scale your agency, more specifically, how to use the hybrid system to scale your agency to 10K per month, right? And basically how I did it my entire journey from 5 years back, right? And it was supposed to be a demonstration of that. It ended up turning into like it was supposed to be a free demo. It turned into like a case study / free training now. So it's like a completely free training. So if you want to kind of like go and learn how to actually scale your agency using the hybrid system, how I did it and how hundreds of other students have basically done it, I'll leave the link below, or you could just go to agencytransmutation.com. Click and watch the actual video. It's completely free, guys. It's about 1 hour and 45 minutes long. So when I say I put a lot of work into this, I am not even joking. I probably spent, I think I started it on the 16th of March, right? And it took me all the way up until the 30th of March. So it was like 15, 16 days or whatever it was. Probably even a little bit less than that. But you guys got to put in 14 days or whatever it was. But you guys, honestly, it's probably one of the most in-depth, most detailed things I've ever had to do. One of the most difficult things I've ever had to do as well, because I had to go through like my old hard drives and just go through my old hard drives, find screenshots from like 5 years ago before I even started SMA. Before I even knew what SMA was, I was documenting kind of like my journey on YouTube with the whole dropshipping stuff. And yeah, I just took you back behind the scenes and showed you that I was actually failing just in life for 32 months in total. This was before I actually failed, SMA. It took me 16 months, like I said, to get my first SMA client, guys. And that was in September 2019. But before that, I started a clothing brand. I started drop shipping after the clothing brand kind of failed as well. So it was already 2 failures under my belt before I even got into SMA. So guys, go and watch that if you want to, learn some stuff about me, learn some stuff about the actual journey, learn some stuff about how to actually scale an agency to 10K a month. Honestly, it's one of the most detailed things you'll probably see. It's like a movie. So bring popcorn, bring a pen, bring some paper, chill and watch that. So that's the first big thing I've been working on. Now, I'll just give you a kind of like timeline of what's been going on, give you an update in this particular video on what I'm working on, because honestly, I think I found my path to scale past that 100K per month mark. So first of all, I'll just give you a quick timeline. So on the 6th of March, I actually flew out with my actual dad, my best friend, my little brother, to Amsterdam, and we actually just had like a cool couple of days in Amsterdam, relaxed. We actually went to the Chris Brown concert. It was absolutely amazing, by the way. I'm a little bit of a fangirl, to be honest with you, for freaking Chris Brown. Absolutely love that guy, despite his past stuff. Then it was my birthday on the 11th of March, so obviously your boy got very drunk and stuff like that. Then I came back from Amsterdam, fully refreshed, fully enjoyed my birthday. So thank you for all the birthday wishes in advance if you guys have put those down there, or to anybody that wished me happy birthday. I then put together 16 days. I put together, it took me 16 days, like I said, to create this huge kind of like case study / demo / it actually turned out to be like more of a free training, to be honest with you. It's like 99 slides long. It was 99 slides long. I went through over 456 screenshots and 350 something or 320 something results from agency transmutation itself, and I had to kind of like weave through all of those and go through every single one, put them into the actual presentation itself. And the funny thing is, just as I created the friggin' slides, guys, one of my students, Nick, I mentioned in the program, had another 5.6K day with his agency. So he closed I think it was like 2 or 3 clients, and he basically made 5.6K in a single day. And the funny thing is, not just too long ago, like maybe a couple of weeks before this, like this 5.6K day, he had a 5.4K day. So there's been 2 days, of him running an agency using agency transmutation where he's closed 5.4K in clients, and that's monthly recurring revenue. And then there was another day where it closed 5.6K. That's already what, 6K or something? 11K, not 6K, 11K. Don't know why I said 6K. Now, the next big thing I'm working on, guys, that I need to kind of like get out there. I'm kind of excited to actually announce this, but I've just bought the domain name Influence Academy. So my overall goal, right, in just where I'm at right now is to scale past the 100K per month, right? The kind of way how I want to do that is by giving back and actually creating a business that brings real purpose to real people, because I've been broke, I've been struggling, and it was one of the worst things I ever had to go through. Those 32 months I just mentioned earlier in this video of me struggling, probably one of the worst things ever. Like, you can go back and what should I say, you can actually go, you don't even have to go back on my YouTube channel anymore. You can actually go to the new kind of like demonstration, the case of the free trading. I'll put a link in there. And again, it's completely free, guys. It's literally completely free. I'm not even trying to plug it, but it's literally free. And you can go watch that and see my journey from how I struggled with doing cold call. So we're calling the Tooth Spa in Leeds. These guys look like they have a nice website, no pixel. I need someone to work with for about a week. And what I would do for you is basically I would generate you new patients over that week. And in return, all I ask for is basically a good testimonial. Like, I'm literally just doing this to, you know, get my foot in the door, because I've just finished my class and basically need to graduate. But I could send you over some more information about what I actually do, and then maybe if you like what I can if you like what I'm showing you, then basically we can, you know, maybe set up like a call, and where I can actually show you step by step. It will only take like 10 minutes of your time. How I was doing cold emails and like barely getting any responses, and I switched over to actually I call it warm outreach, aka the first part of the hybrid system, which is leveraging warmer traffic sources in order to land clients initially, and then take that money and invest into hiring first line writers, appointment setters, virtual assistants, whatever you want to call it. And it's like a self-financing system that works every single time. Even if you don't want to use Upwork, you can still find warmer traffic sources. This is not like a gimmick. It's a method that's going to be around for years. As long as the internet's around, think about it. There's going to be people with a problem that identify themselves and start joining groups, aka Facebook groups, or if Facebook dies out, there's going to be another social media platform or just a platform in general. Because humans are social beings, we like to socialize with people. So there's always going to be groups of people, aka, let's say you're doing some sort of weight loss program. There's going to be people that identify themselves as being overweight. They join these kind of like communities that are also other people that are overweight that want to get to a healthier weight, and you can actually then sell them services, done for you programs, done with you programs, that sort of stuff. Or even just do like one-to-one help with them or personal training, whatever it is. Long story short, there's always going to be some sort of warmer traffic source, and then you could take that and actually, you know, leverage close clients from that warmer traffic source, take that money and then, you know, outsource your cold outreach. That's basically the best way I've ever found in SMA to scale. And obviously that when I figured that out, it changed my entire life. I started making money online, and ever since then I've always just wanted to help people make some money online. Like, it doesn't even matter what frigging business you're in. I just want to help you, equip you with the knowledge, the tools, the systems, the processes, genuinely, to help you scale to that 10K per month mark. That's probably the most freeing you can do. So what I'm going to do, and this is my plan, it's kind of like a 2-stage plan, right? We've got Influence Academy.io. That's a domain I've just bought. So here's my plan. I'm going to help people continuously for free on YouTube, right? And if they want to take it up a notch, they can actually enroll into H-Traumatation. We're going to continuously make that better and better as well. That's my quote unquote education company. Technically, it is my educational company. But what I want to do is I want to help people for free and you know, paid ways if you want to actually just skip the mess on YouTube and just go straight to a system that actually works, and just learn the hybrid system to put it into your actual business. So I want to help people scale to that infamous 10K per month mark, right? Because that's probably the most freeing thing you can actually do for a person. I'm not joking. I've seen people fly out their parents. I've got members in a program that have paid off their mother's credit card debts. I've got people that have, you know, quit their jobs and sent me videos of them dancing around. I've seen some crazy stuff, like people looking after and taking care of their mum when they're sick, just because of they've been able to, you know, scale the agency so well, and they've got the resources to get medicine and stuff like that for their parents and whatnot. So that's probably one of the most freeing things I could do, and one of the most valuable things I can do right now as a human being on this planet. It's not just about the money anymore. It's more about impact. I've noticed, this is always very cliche stuff, guys, but like when an entrepreneur reaches a certain level, they stop really caring about the money because they've kind of got enough money to kind of like not need to worry for a very long time. I think I did the math the other day, and like, if I kind of like cut back a little bit on my bills, not much by the way, I think I've got enough in the bank to last me until I'm like 70 something years old. I am not even joking. I did the maths like 2 days ago. Like, yeah, not yesterday, the day before. Yeah, 2 days ago. So I'm at a point now, should I say, where it's like, I'm not really in it for the money no more. I'm trying to leave an impact, a legacy. I want my name, Montel Gordon, to be kind of like a name you look up to like Alex Hormozi, for example. He's making a huge impact right now. He's going to be remembered for years to come. That's the kind of like impact I wanna help people with. So I want to help people with the whole agency stuff, help them scale, build themselves up, become 1%, 1% earners. And then what I want to do is then take them to the next level. And here's what I mean by that. I want them to get to the same stage where I'm at now, where it's like you've already scaled the agency and stuff like that. You've done the agency, not completed it, because there's always more levels you can always reach. But I honestly think that if you've gotten 10K per month agency, you've pretty much completed the game on that. You can get to 20K, 30K, 50K, you can do all of that sort of stuff. But there's certain people out there that just want to get to 10K with their 10K per month with their agency, and then take those profits, because it's like a cash cow business. It's like a cash flow heavy business. Like, you actually produces a lot of cash flow for you, because the profit margin is like 80% if you do it correctly. That is, if you do it correctly. That's the big determining factor right there. And then what I want people to do is scale up to that, get that cash flow. And there's certain people, like I was just about to say, that want to take that and then invest into other things, such as like real estate, or start their own consulting business. And I was just looking online the other day, right, guys, just to bring this full circle. I was looking online and I saw a dude on YouTube randomly came across a dude. I don't even know his name at this point, but it's a very good case study. And I saw a dude just speaking about how to speak clearly. It was just a video. He had like 1.6 million views. I put it on my Instagram story. If you were follow him and you saw that, you know what I'm talking about. If you're not, go follow me on Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description. But he basically creates videos on how to speak and articulate your points clearly. And me being a YouTuber, I thought, hey, that's kind of interesting. I'm into the self-help stuff. Why not click on this video on YouTube? Clicked on it. Went into the description of his video, which, by the way, had 1.6 million views, by the way. Like I said, hundreds and like thousands of comments. And there was a online course that he was actually selling, an 8-week online program of him teaching how to speak clearly into a camera. That's one of the greatest skills you can learn, by the way, which is I do recommend everybody get a camera and start making videos, which is why I've got Influence Academy coming up, which is basically going to help you build your influence. Take your speaking skills and just personal branding skills, so that you can actually leverage your personal brand to boost whatever business you want. That's kind of like what Influence Academy is going to do. It doesn't even matter if you're running an agency, or if you're running a consulting business, or a coaching business, or if you got an online product, or online kind of like a course, should I say. It doesn't matter. As long as you've got a personal brand and you're confident on camera and you can speak well and you've actually genuinely got a good brand, you're going to make sales because of your personal brand. It doesn't even matter if you look at like Logan Paul and all those people. They can sell merch for days because they've got a huge brand. Look at Mr. Beast, one of the best brands, literally the best brand on YouTube right now, honestly. So yeah, that's what I want to help people with. That's why I'm building Influence Academy. This is going to be my long-term thing now, where I'm actually helping people. First of all, there's 2 parts, like I said. Help people build their agencies so that they've got the cash flow to play around with, getting the best equipment. Like just today, I bought a Shure SM7B microphone, a new arm, a cloud lifter to actually use what you call I think that's what you call an inline preamp, and then you've got the actual audio interface itself. I got the Focusrite 2i2 or something like that, which all in all I spent like £855 British pounds on a brand new setup, so the audio is going to come out very crispy. But that's kind of like the plan, guys. Help people scale up with their agencies. Genuinely do that, because I've done that before myself. Not only have I done that by myself, I've been able to help multiple people quit their jobs, fly their parents out, get to 10K per month, 15K per month, 20K per month with their agencies. So I know I'm doing that. And these are all people in all different types of niches, guys. So it's not just like I figured something out one time for me and my agency in this particular niche and I can only just replicate that for me. No, I found a system out that works so well that I can actually give it to others. And now I've got 300 and something plus results of people using my knowledge and my systems and my tools and resources to actually scale up. So I'm going to take that, scale that up and whatnot, help more and more people. The more and more people I can help get to that 10K per month mark, the better it will be for just everybody in general. The economy, me, myself, my economy, just to be, that's my selfish reason, but not really, guys. I'm gonna leave a much bigger impact if I can actually help people. Because like, even me, I still look up to like Sam Ovens, for example. Sam Ovens no longer even has his consulting business anymore. He's working on school, but like Sam Ovens doesn't even know who I am, doesn't even know who I exist, probably at this, at this point. May do in the future when I hopefully start blowing up. In fact, when I do start blowing up. And he's been able to impact my life in ways that I just cannot even tell him. I need to shake that man's hand one day, like quite literally. So yeah, that's the overall plan, guys, to get to that 100K per month mark. And it's more about just giving. If I can just help you guys get to like 100K per month, I know by the law of reciprocity, to be honest with you, I'll just get to like 100K per month. I'm not even chasing the money at this point, guys. I just know if I just give a whole bunch of value out to you guys, you're gonna make money from my stuff. And just by you saying thank you, you're gonna end up wanting to work with me. Maybe 1 month down the line, maybe 1 year down the line, maybe 5 years down the line. Who knows, guys? But all I know is that I gotta keep giving you value for you guys, and just honestly just stay real with you guys, stay true to you guys, and just keep pushing. And that's how I'm gonna get myself to 100K. I know it sounds kind of crazy just saying 100K per month. I mean, I'm not too far from it already, guys. So I probably should be aiming for more like 150K, 200K. But I just want to break down a plan. Influence Academy. The IO is coming very, very soon, so stay and watch this space, as they say. So yeah, guys, hope you're doing well. Hope you haven't missed me too much. I'll be back on YouTube now, getting my new setup delivered tomorrow, so that's going to be crazy. I'm going to be upgrading this camera as well, because again, if I'm going to be teaching people how to build a personal brand and leverage that to build their coaching business, their consulting business, or their agency, then obviously I'm gonna have to lead by example by having the best audio equipment, the best video equipment, the best lighting, that sort of stuff. So yeah, there's gonna be a lot of changes coming to this channel, so definitely stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed if you're not. Anyway, guys, love you guys. Don't forget to check out the free like training, demo, case study, whatever you want to call it. It's completely free. It's an hour and 45 minutes long, so make sure you block off adequate amount of time. It's gonna be insane, guys. So I'm not really gonna edit this video, so just like I'm just gonna throw it onto YouTube, just say hi to you guys. Hope you're doing well. Drop me a comment as well. Like, what are your goals for April? I know I'm shooting this on the 1st of April. What's your goals for April, guys? Anyway, guys, see you guys soon. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe. Peace.